So we are live now, 7 minutes since the market opened. We are live, and 7 minutes since the market opened, we're trading above the triangle that I mentioned in the Spanish blog, Substack. And market internals so far are positive, right? Let me take a picture of this. Go to so far the market is trading higher inside of yesterday's range, trading above the triangle. We could do the daily routine. Let me go. And could maximize the entire economic calendar. We had at 8:30. Remember the CPI, the market moved. A little push from the indexes. Year to date, the S&P 500 is negative. We're seeing many wicks. You see these candles here. Let me open the screen too. I can put it here. These candles here, right? But it's failing to create lower lows. It is true here we have this trend line, right? And we have 2 months of negative down pressure, but very little. Normally when we get down pressure it's faster and dropping. Yesterday the down day in the S&P. Mixed again, but very flat. Both on the Nasdaq and New York Stock Exchange, new highs minus new lows. Another thing here. No. Big still backwardation. Oil crude retraced a little bit, but it's still at 50% year to date. Financials not gaining. India and Argentina near 10%. South Korea and Brazil leading. The movement you can see in the last 2 days, oil down, Nvidia and Google up significantly. Silver, let me review silver. And let's do it. So let's get the job done here. And so far, with positive market internals, ticks are trading below the zero line, and AD not green at soft now. We have here, you see the clock here, 9:44. Let's go with the euro. 115.8. Go to the flexible credit. This is the target for the euro. We'll see if we get there. Bitcoin, this should break this trend line. Crude is positive, right? Big push from 119. This is the futures, 119 to 85 as the low, near 85, the low of yesterday, now inside day. Yes, we talked about this. Gold down, interesting, while silver is heavily down 4%. So we have here trend line in silver. Let me see. Yeah, let me draw the trend line here. The high to this and create an alert. So if it crosses above, send me an email and ring like that. Russell down 1% near the low of yesterday. VIX push higher, but now it retrace. So let me go on the news because this is important. The market rally saying, hey, the war was going to be over, and now we open the trading terminals and say Iran fire back at bases and ships despite war most intensive strikes. Go to the main page. And that's markets. Stop dip. But the important thing of this is the chart what we use at the open is NDX. With the bad news, it's inside of yesterday's trading range, right? Yes, so far. Okay, let me not zoom in. So far, inside of yesterday's range, you see. NQ so far inside of yesterday's range. So the news can say whatever it wants to say. Their sellers are not being more aggressive. You can open here the and let's see how Broadcom Broadwin, sorry. Let me see how Broadcom is doing. Overnight, the markets equity indexes, and then we go to the futures, and here we have down Europe, positive Nasdaq and S&P, but barely positive, the rest negative. So let me tell you, oh, I am off the picture. Let me sit down. So let me tell you what's going on, or what I think is going on. Oops. Yeah. What we have is the escalation. We have an escalation on the war, but markets, if we take it from the S&P 500, are away from the lows, right? Well, this is what Trump mentioned. This is the bar that the news said, hey, war is near completion, right? 2 days rallying or closing higher at least, and now we're opening a little lower of this range. But if we see the news, most read news 24 hours, so this is the $200 a barrel that Iran says. This is the counterpart of that. US Navy escorted oil tankers, right? This is the heavy strike on Iran overnight. This is US destroys land lane vessels, right? 15 hours ago. G7 energy minister supports principle of using oil reserves. We don't see the war. Look at this picture. I mean, there is, I saw the picture somewhere. There is a hole in this boat, right? So 3 more vessels hit by projectiles, right? Now, Nasdaq trading a little lower. Only energy and tech is positive. The other sectors turn negative from the open. But I don't see. Let me go and load the other charts here. and we start from the day time frame, trading at the highs. Hey, what do I expect here? Or what is the market doing? The market is trying to go up, but it's up. Is it the high of, this is the month, right? This is the high range of the month inside of the range of last month. It tried to go down, it fell, right? It's trying to go higher, but it's not doing it, right? This is the daily candles. Nasdaq. Here, the volume was to the downside at the close, but so far, so good. Same push, 60 minutes holding. I don't see it. Even if you push down here, we still have this large volume candle to take. This is the same with the Ichimoku band. Inside of the band, can it go down? Yes. Is it doing it? No, so far. It's not doing it so far. 5 minutes. And this we get here very high granularity, right? This is trading systems already. Went down. It tried to go down. It reversed. These are 5-minute candles. So here is this is the news. Oh, you're not seeing this. I bet. Here are the news. So all the charts I went through is this. You wanted to go down. You didn't do it. Then this is the 500 delta. You can see the push here at 940. So 940. 932 it was here. 940. 35. 935. And here we have the 500. 40. 22. 50. Okay, this is 20 minutes. And that's it. I don't have that much more to share today. Trading systems. Let me open. We can open Trade Station, NinjaTrader, Interactive. Let me see. The other system is still flat. Right. He didn't take trades in a while. He tried this short. And it just has been going with not a lot of strength. The Trade Station Systems is a buy in the US, short on the Russell, and it was a buy on the Nasdaq 25.000. So in that push here. Okay, guys, so nothing more to share. I'll catch you in the next one. I have a long day today. It's a lot of updating.